If you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first we're gonna open Settings, scroll all the way down, and then open Accessibility. After that, we're gonna go to Interaction and Dexterity, and you should be able to find voice access, which we need to turn on. And if you do so, you need to allow voice access to have full control of your device, and we can press Allow. Then press Agree, once again, agree to notifications, and then you can enable the Start Listening button, which is this one. I'm gonna actually use it. You also have instructions how you can actually activate voice access, so if you don't use the listening button, then you can use the Google Assistant instead. So let's press Done. Over here we have the voice access tutorial, which is worth checking out, so you can go through that if you want to. And let's just close this. If you want to, then of course you can just go back by saying Open Tutorial. So if you want voice access to start listening, you can just, in this case, you can tap on this button. If you go over here for the first time, you will need to grant the access to the microphone. And over here we need to either choose one of these two options. So I'm gonna choose Stop Listening after 30 seconds of inactivity, and let's press Continue, grant the permissions again. And now whatever you say out loud, if the command is correct, if it's valid, then it should be used by the phone. Over here we can scroll down in order to find some example voice commands. So for example, you can say stuff like go home, go back, show notifications, click OK, and open photos. So let's wait for this prompt to disappear so we can say one of these commands out loud. Show notifications. And there we go, this is how it looks like. So of course you need to learn these voice commands, they can be quite intuitive, so you can just even say, what can I say, in order to find more information about these voice commands. And that's pretty much it. If you have enabled notifications, then you can pause listening by just tapping on voice access over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.